So it's mid-February, almost the end of February, and you have fallen off your diet, fallen off the wagon, a lot of people will say. And I can tell you that there's three things that needs to stop. If you are watching this on YouTube or Facebook, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the follow button, so that you can get notifications that I am on, so you can get these bits of advice. Vickie Griffith with Breakthrough, so grateful that you are here watching this. So you've fallen off the wagon. You started your program beginning of the year and it hasn't been going so well. Life for a lot of people has just gone crazy. We are not back to our normal, and it's gone way beyond normal for many people. There's a lot of changes, a lot of shifts in everyone's life, and it's not surprising that people are falling off their diet just because life's happening, which means stress is happening, which means anxiety is happening. And what happens for most of us when we're under those conditions? We turn to comfort, which is usually food. For a lot of people, it's alcohol. And then there's the regret and the remorse. And if you stop using these three words, these feelings against yourself, you'll be able to move forward into eliminating the foods that you have cravings for, cutting back, and getting back on track in your food program. And what are those three feelings? Guilt, blame, and shame. They have no space in getting back on track. All they're going to do is keep you running down the rabbit hole of deprivation, feeling badly about yourself, and then hopelessness. How do you get rid of those? One of the simplest ways is just say no. I am no longer willing to feel that way. They are interesting emotions. It's okay to have them as emotions, but in reality, they're keeping you in the hamster wheel of off your diet and staying fat. So if this has resonated with you at all, please again hit the like button, the subscribe button so you can get notifications, and follow button. Also, put a comment. Someone write in there guilt, shame, and blame. And put a comment in letting me know what your thoughts are about that and what's your next step. Till next time, sending love.